When an Xfinity modem blinks white, it's typically a sign that it cannot connect to the network. This issue can be caused by various factors, including damaged cables, local outages, and outdated firmware. To resolve the problem, start by inspecting the modem's cables for any damage or loose connections. Check the power and Ethernet cables to ensure they are securely plugged in and in good condition. If the cables appear to be fine, the next step is to check for any local outages. Xfinity often conducts maintenance, which can result in temporary network outages. To check for scheduled outages, visit the Xfinity website and log into your account using your credentials, or access your account via the mobile app. Once logged in, look for any notifications about local or scheduled outages. If an outage is scheduled, simply wait for it to pass. If there are no outages, the next step is to update the modem's firmware, as outdated firmware can affect connectivity and pose security risks. To update the firmware, visit the Xfinity website, log into your account, and click on the Update Firmware option. Download the available update, reboot the modem, and then check to see if the blinking has stopped.